The Cleveland Cavaliers fought back from a 3-1 deficit to win the 2016 NBA Finals. Now the Chicago Cubs will try and return the favor to another Cleveland team, the Indians, in the World Series. The Cubs fell to the Indians 7-2 in a demoralizing loss. Illinois native Jason Kipnis opened up the game in the top of the 7th, crushing a 3-run home run and ensuring the Cubs would start 0-2 at Wrigley Field in the series. Back to Wrigley for Game 5, where the Cubs face elimination in yet another World Series this year in franchise history.